to move that towel. You're going to get wet, Mr. Stay. Hey, give me a towel. Now you may want this towel back. I knew you wouldn't want to get it completely wet.
Is it cold?
Is it cold?
No, it feels like the water.
He told you it was going to rain.
I told you I was going to make it rain.
Is it worth it? Well, we've gotten out and swum here before.
Yeah, we parked here and just gone swimming.
It's a nice place to park. Yeah.
It's not always running. It's not always running. Sometimes
Let's keep going in the garbage
It's normally
can.
during the winter it's a little bit bigger than
let's
this.
stick it in here.
Okie dokie.
Is it more? You think it's more in the winter? I've got another dry one if you want it.
Oh no, it's cool.
The
I
last
just need
dry towel. You want that? Another one?
Is that cool or what? That's why I brought you all the way over here.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I thought you guys.
Fabulous. Actually, you know what that is? There's no way I would have done it. That's a cesspool. It's just an overflow.
Yeah, there's actually some sediment.
That's where the outhouses come down.
There's sediment now on the boat too.
That's going to be stinky.
What?
Because we just went under the
There's
cesspool.
sediment in the.
There's no sediment.
You know,
That's
actually,
we already had it.
I met these kids on a camp out, and they're like, hey, we found this natural spring. We're all going to go take our showers over here later in our bathing suits. You guys want to go? So we're like, okay. Like going on an adventure with a bunch of random kids. So we show up there, and they're all like, this is great. And I kind of look
I
up,
remember this.
and there's a tube. It's like a sewage tube. And they were all like, yeah, under. It's like gross.
Oh
And me and
my
my brother
God.
just left. You guys are stupid.
He's way back there. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's a
It's still raining.
Now, have you ever been under a
Well, that
waterfall
kind of
in a
cleaned
boat?
that off. You know what? That kind of cleaned off
Now I
the top
have.
a little bit, baby. You know what? Maybe you cleaned some of that bird crap off the top.
Where would it have
We
gone?
came out here with
Huh?
What do you mean
Alexa.
clean it
down
off?
here
It's
on-
just going to drip on the boat.
We came out here
And
with
flip
Alexa
off the side.
and
There's
a
There's walls.
bunch of girls that she dances
I don't know what you're
with,
talking
we
about.
danced with. And we came out here and they got